In this session, I'm going to show you how to add different maps and base maps inside QGIS using Python script. So as we can see here, after adding this script, we will be able to see here, different base maps like Esri standard base map, Esri satellite imagery, and the Google satellite imagery, TomTom base maps, OpenStreetMap, etc. First off, I'm going to go to this page in GitHub and take this code, copy, and I'm going to add it in the video description and return back to QGIS, and here for plugin open Python, and we will paste all the code here and just run it. After running the code, we will be able to see here all base maps coming here. So with this we can, for example, add TomTom base map, and also we may add also Google Maps or Google Satellite, and we will go here, we will find the data added or the base map added successfully. Okay, so also this is for TomTom vector maps, and with this you will have all base maps available inside QGIS. After that you can add your data or your layers on top of it.